Welcome to SmartWave YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how to run free promotion on Amazon KDP. Please, if you like this video, subscribe, give it a thumbs up and share to your friends. Also, now I have previous video on Amazon KDP which is all together in one playlist. The channel is all about tech and money. So as we teach you how to become a data analyst, how to become a data scientist, how to become a UI UX designer, we also teach you how to make money. Any money gotten from Amazon can also be used to help yourself in sponsoring that. Now today I'll be teaching you how to run free promotion on Amazon KDP. Now it's very easy to do. Now you can see published this book and the Kindle version has gone live. Now, before you be able to run a free promotion on Amazon KDP, first of all, your book must be enrolled in KDP Select, in Amazon KDP Select. Now, as you can see, you see something like promote and advertise. Now, if you click on this button menu, you see also promote and advertise. Now, they are all the same. When you click here, this have to take you to another page. You can see that your current KDP Select start to enrolled. So this book has been enrolled on KDP Select. So if it's not enrolled, they will tell you. That means you have to enroll it. Now we have two things here. We have the sign your book up for Kindle countdown deal or a free book promotion. Only one promotion can be enabled by enroll method. Now, if you click on this, the countdown day, if you click on this, you can learn more from here. It creates excitement by scheduling a time based on promotion discount for your book. Here, if you use this one, you schedule a time, but there will be a promotion discount. For example, if your book is $2.99, the discount may be 1.99. That means it's going for there and it will last for that period of time. And you also give them the time that they will need. So if you click on this, you see how it goes. It will start from October this and end. You can choose when it ends. So the discount will end maybe in 27 and you have longer period 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days. So in that 8 days, the discount will end. So but I will not be using this. I love using the one that's the other one. The other one only lasts for, there is no discount on it. People can only order it for free, and if they like the book, other people will also, they can recommend it for other people and they will buy within 5 days. So here, if you click on create a new free book promotion, you can see now here you have to choose the date 21 to 25. So you can see that here you choose September 21 to 25. So this free promotion will last for 5 days. So people can be able to order it for free. And also, when they order it for free, after the 25th, they cannot be able to order it for free. Anybody that wants to order will buy. Okay, let me just make use of the other one. Make use of the other one based on discounts. I don't really actually make use of this, but let me just make use of it and give discount to this book so that anybody that wants to buy it early can also buy it. So it will last from 20 October. No, it's very far. I can't do that actually. It's very far. Let me go back. Sorry, October. It's very far. So let me click on this, this, and this. I prefer this. So after 5 days, anybody that wants to order the book will actually buy it. So you click on save and continue and continue. Now, after this, I love putting my book in series. Any book I create, I will also teach you how to create your series, or and all that. So I think this is just all about the video. So this book has been on promotion. So anytime you click on promote and advertise, you see that this book is currently ineligible for a Kindle countdown day. So this also has been running and all that. So that's it for this video. Now this account, you can see this account, I've published a lot of books here ranging to this. Now if you go here, you can see that I've published 65 books in this account, with 825 orders for this month. Now, if you want to see how everybody has been complaining, Amazon usually block their accounts and all that. If you see how I did this, you can watch my previous video on how to avoid Amazon blocking and all that in your book. Thank you. So please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe, share to your friends to also learn from this.